Pronouns are part of the language we use to address a person. Pronouns are one of the many ways we choose to portray our identities, and more specifically, how we perceive our gender. The most common genders are male and female, which means the most common pronouns are he, him, and she, her. However, people are complicated, and how they identify may not fall within these two categories. You may encounter people who identify as the opposite gender, or identify as a different gender entirely, or identify as having no gender at all. In these cases, it may not be obvious what pronouns you should use, and instead of assuming the identity of this person, it is more respectful to ask, listen, and learn from what these individuals have to say. If someone asks you to refer to them by specific pronouns, they are asking you to respect their gender identity. Gender identity is the perceived gender one has. The pronouns they ask you to use could be common, for example, he, him, but they could also be pronouns that you would not commonly use, for example, sie, here. People who ask you to use specific pronouns are not being difficult or seeking attention. They simply identify as something else besides a male or female, and would like to be respected as you would any other person. However, if you are ever unsure of what a person's pronouns are, a safe choice is to use gender-neutral terms, which are they, them. But no matter what, if someone asks you to use specific pronouns, you should use them, as this shows this individual that you acknowledge them as an equal. Along with using proper pronouns, you can do more to make LGBT+ people feel safe and respected in your place of work. Lead by example. Share your pronouns when making introductions. This will make others feel comfortable sharing their own pronouns and will avoid any potential confusion about how someone would like to be referred to. As well, when creating any marketing or social media material, consider using gender-neutral pronouns, as this will make non-binary people feel included. It may be tricky to change some of the language we use to refer to one another, but consciously making these adjustments can go a long way to making your business more LGBT+ friendly.